secrets to real-life wealth, how to become rich. Becoming wealthy in real life isn't something that happens overnight. It requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to achieving your financial goals. In this blog post, I'm going to share the secrets to real-life wealth, how to become rich and enjoy financial freedom. Through these tips and strategies, you can learn how to create and grow your wealth, build a strong financial foundation, and make smart investments that will help you achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to learn the secrets to real-life wealth. Number 1. Stop thinking about money. It may sound counterintuitive, but one of the secrets to becoming rich in real life is to stop obsessing over money. While it's important to have financial goals and be aware of your finances, constantly thinking about money can lead to anxiety, stress, and even bad financial decisions. Instead, try focusing on what you enjoy doing, your passions, and your relationships. By putting your energy into the things that bring you joy, you'll be able to find fulfillment beyond financial gain. Additionally, make sure that you're not comparing yourself to others when it comes to wealth. Just because someone else has more money than you, doesn't mean they're happier or more successful. It's important to remember that wealth and happiness aren't mutually exclusive. So, take a step back from your financial goals and try to enjoy life for what it is. You may find that the things that truly make you happy don't require a lot of money at all. Number 2. Get out of debt. One of the biggest obstacles to becoming rich is having too much debt. Debt is essentially money that you owe someone else, and it can be incredibly difficult to accumulate wealth when you're constantly paying off loans and credit cards. Here's how you can start getting out of debt. 1. Create a budget. Start by tracking your expenses and income so you can create a budget that works for you. Figure out what you're spending money on, what your fixed expenses are, and how much you can realistically put towards paying off debt each month. 2. Prioritize your debts. Identify the debts with the highest interest rates and start paying those off first. This will save you money in the long run because you'll be paying less interest. 3. Cut expenses. Look for ways to reduce your expenses so you can put more money towards paying off debt. Consider cutting out unnecessary subscriptions, eating out less, or finding ways to save on utilities. Number 3. Invest your money. Investing your money is one of the most powerful ways to accumulate wealth. When you invest, you are using your money to buy assets that have the potential to appreciate in value over time, providing you with a passive income stream. The first step in investing is to determine your risk tolerance and investment goals. Depending on your risk tolerance, you may want to invest in high-risk, high-reward assets such as stocks or real estate. Alternatively, you may prefer lower-risk, more stable investments such as bonds or mutual funds. When it comes to investing, there are several strategies you can use to maximize your returns. One of the most popular strategies is diversification, which involves spreading your investments across a variety of different asset classes to minimize risk. Another key strategy is to invest regularly over time. By investing a fixed amount of money on a regular basis, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and build wealth over time. If you're new to investing, it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor to ensure you're making smart investment decisions that align with your goals and risk tolerance. With patience, discipline, and a well-diversified investment portfolio, you can accumulate wealth over time and achieve your financial goals.